Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete an admin account on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is completely powered on and loaded. Wait for everything to finish starting up so you have full access to your system. This ensures all services are running properly before making any account changes. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Look for the Windows Start menu icon and click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing various system settings and applications. Now, with the Start menu open, type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. This will launch the Microsoft Windows Control Panel, which is where you manage most of your system settings and configurations. The Control Panel gives you access to important administrative functions that aren't always visible in the modern Settings app. Once the Control Panel window appears, look for the User Accounts option and click on it. This section allows you to manage all the user profiles on your computer, including making changes to account types and permissions. It's the central hub for controlling who has access to your Windows 11 system. From the User Accounts page, you'll see several options available. Look for and click on the Manage Another Account link. This is crucial because it lets you view and modify accounts other than the one you're currently logged into. This feature is especially useful when you need to manage multiple users on the same computer. After clicking that link, you'll be presented with a list of all user accounts currently set up on your Windows PC. Take a moment to review this list carefully and identify the admin account you want to delete. Click directly on that specific account to select it and open its management options. Once you've selected the account, look to the left side of the window where you'll find several management options. Locate the Delete Account option and click on it. This initiates the account removal process. Windows will then ask you whether you want to keep or delete the files associated with that account, so make sure you've backed up any important data before proceeding with the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully removed the admin account from your Windows 11 system, freeing up space and simplifying your user management. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.